In the last video, we have calculated the sum of CLV for all periods. Have you figured out what is missing to get total CLV? Right, it's the acquisition cost that is missing. We should use sum of CLV to minus acquisition cost. That is $2,480 minus $1,525, which equals $955. It means the acquisition campaign brings in customer value over their lifetime of $955. Now, in addition to get the total CLV, we can also get the average CLV per customer. How do we know that? How do we get that? Just use total CLV divided by the number of new customers. That is $955 divided by 150, which equals $6.37. It means that on average, each new customer contributes $6.37. Now we can answer the ultimate question that I asked in the first section. Is it worth it to acquire these new customers? Now please pause the video and think about it. Is it really worth it? Remember, in the first section, I asked the same question, and we did some calculations. The answer at that time is we don't know yet. Right now, our answer should be yes, because CLV is a positive number here. So if you still remember, at that time, we have calculated a negative profit of $775 for that campaign. Now we are looking at $955 in positive cash flow. Why the differences? Why is that? This is a very important question. When we are only looking at customer relationship or customer life cycle in the short term, the value might not be sufficient enough to justify the cost. However, the whole point or the craziness of customer lifetime value is on the concept of long-term relationship. So when we look at the value of these customers in the long term, it totally justifies the cost. Different opinions, different concepts, different calculations lead to totally different conclusions about the acquisition campaign. In the last section, I've also talked about another method, which is much cleaner to calculate CLV. Do you still remember that? How do we use that method to calculate CLV? And see how is that different from the method I just showed you? In addition to that, if I want to know the ROI of this campaign, return on investment, how do I know that? Think about it, how we should get the ROI of this campaign and how I should use method 2 to calculate CLV using the basic definition. Try to do that yourself, and I will talk about that in the next video.